herein lies
Kayla's dignity. Meteorological dignity.
It's been a minute since we did one of these game show type things where I just lose and get roasted on the internet. Let's do another one! What's up guys, it's Kayla.
And Jim.
Welcome back to another Meteorology Monday. What are we doing today?
Today we're going to have a little change of pace, have a little bit of fun. Today we are going to do a MeteoTech weather version of Jeopardy. And there's going to be a twist here at the end, but we'll get into those details in just a minute. But before we get started,
if you're enjoying this video, be sure to leave a like down below as well as a comment and a subscribe. Love to hear from you guys. And at the end of this video, I think there might be some things to comment about. So
there'll definitely be some things to comment about. Before we dive in just a little bit, I'm not using my hands a whole lot because I have a laptop balancing on my lap, and so I'm afraid it's going to get dumped. So an Italian man trying to talk without using his hands is going to be a little difficult. So bear with me and forgive me. So for those that are familiar with Jeopardy, you know all about what the style is and the format. So for those that don't know, basically we're going to have 5 categories, and there's going to be 5 questions under each category. And they will range from 100 points to 500 points. 100 points will be the easier questions, and then as you go up in the scale, they get harder and harder. Some of them might be harder for you. You might know them. You might not get the 100 point, but you'll get the 400 or the 500. It just depends. Don't know. It's all just kind of
cryptic at all. Now I'm scared.
We'll see. We'll see what happens. But Miss Optimism here is very confident.
Okay, so first we got to explain the number that I have to get to, but I am very confident that I can at least get, you know, the 1s and 2s and maybe the 300s. There's one category, I think I can get the 500 question, but Dad's over here like, oh, you've never seen questions like this before.
We'll get there. We'll get there in just a second. So let's go through the categories.
Oh, yes.
And then we'll talk about how many points you need to get, and then we'll talk about the twist that isn't done on Jeopardy. All right.
Yeah, it'd be really funny if they did.
Let's look at the 5 categories. The 5 categories are hurricanes, U.S. geography, continents, weather service lingo, and severe weather. Okay, so let's say Kayla chose severe weather for 100, and the question or the answer was thunderstorms are from these clouds. Now, instead of her saying cumulonimbus clouds as her answer, she has to phrase it in the form of a question. So she'd have to say, what are cumulonimbus clouds? I'm
pretty confident that all of my answers will have question marks at the end anyway, so.
What is
a cumulonimbus cloud?
Yes. So okay.
Shouldn't be too hard.
So 5 categories, 5 questions each, ranging from 100 to 500. If you add them all up, it's a total of 7,500 points. To give Kayla a good shot at this, was thinking the threshold would be 5,000 points.
Gotta get around a 70%, you know, passing grade.
That's right. Here's the twist. If she gets below 5,000 points, she gets a pie in the face.
But if I win and I get above that, Dad gets the pie in the face.
That's right.
So somebody's getting a pie in the face today.
Somebody is getting a pie in the face. So let's clarify, 5,000 or more, I get the pie. Less than 4,999 and less, you get the pie.
Well, I don't think you can do that because they're all hundreds, so.
I think they know. I think they know what we mean.
Just a refresher course if you're new here. Hi, my name is Kayla, and I suck at these game shows that we do on our channel.
Go check out our other game shows. Editing Kayla will pop up here.
I have high hopes, but low optimism. So we'll see how it goes.
All right. So now that we laid the groundwork, are we ready to get into the game show?
Yes, I think I can get the 500 for severe weather at least. So that gives me a fight. Now I'm scared.
and just to put in context, U.S. geography will be talking about things that are weather specific.
All this is weather related.
This is all weather specific. So I'm not going to say, the Mississippi flows through which states. I'm not going to ask that kind of thing.
What is Mississippi?
All right, let's go ahead and let's get into it.
So as always with these game shows that we do, feel free to play along at home. Let us know if you beat my score. And I think I will start off with hurricanes for 100.
This Category 5 hurricane that made landfall in August of 2005 caused approximately $161 billion in damage and is the costliest hurricane on record to date.
What is Hurricane Katrina?
Very good.
Thank you! Ding, 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 ding.
All right, what next?
Let's stick with the 100s and let's do U.S. geography for 100.
Stretching from northern Texas to Canada, with its core centered on Oklahoma, Kansas, and northern Texas, this area is unofficially defined as...
What is Tornado Alley?
Very good.
Yay! This is going so much better than the other game shows.
Next.
Let's go a little bold. Let's do weather service lingo for 300.
Oh boy. In probability of precipitation statements, the equivalent of a 60 or 70% chance. Five seconds.
What is POP?
That is not correct. The correct answer is, what is likely? Showers likely. Chance of precipitation, 60%.
Oh, that doesn't make any sense.
Yes, it does.
No, it doesn't.
Likely is a 60 or 70% chance of something happening.
Oh, I just thought that they were saying, it's probably going to rain, so it's likely. Okay.
All right, you're getting it now. You got it.
We'll do weather service lingo for 100. I think I bit off more than I could chew with the 300. Let's go back a couple steps.
This is the acronym given for the continental United States.
What is CONUS?
Very good.
See, I should have started there and built my confidence, but no, we went straight for the 300.
Yep. Hey, you know what? Why not?
That's
Why
right.
not swing for the fences when you can?
That's right. Let's do hurricanes for 200.
This Category 5 hurricane struck southwest Florida in September 2022 and is the third most costliest storm to date.
This is where I confuse the I-named storms. What is Hurricane Irma?
That is not correct. What is Hurricane Ian?
I knew it was an I!
That's right. Shake it off.
Okay.
Shake it off.
Do like Taylor Swift always tells me,
That's it. Next one.
Let's do something that I think is going to be easy. Let's go for severe weather for 100.
Or is it? This August 2020 Midwest event brought estimated wind speeds as high as 120 to 140 miles per hour to the Cedar Rapids, Iowa area.
What is a derecho?
That is correct.
Knock on wood that the rest are going to go that easily, but I feel pretty confident about the severe weather category.
All right, so
let's do the 200 there.
200. The Storm Prediction Center often issues this type of statement anywhere from roughly half an hour to several hours before issuing a weather watch.
What is a mesoscale discussion?
That is correct.
Let's do continents for 100.
Oh,
see what that's about.
This continent experiences more tornadoes than any other continent on the planet per year.
What is North America?
That's right.
Shout out to the North Americans.
So you got a bunch of questions under your belt. You got a flow. You kind of have a general idea from each category what to expect. All right. What's going to be the next one?
Let's keep it rolling with continents for 200.
This continent boasts of being the windiest place on Earth.
The windiest place on Earth. Chicago is not a continent.
Nope. And I'll give you a little helpful tip. I did not repeat
continents?
The continents for the answers. So these will all be 5 different answers.
Okay.
Just to kind of help you.
Windiest place on Earth. What is Africa?
That is not correct. The answer is
Antarctica.
What is Antarctica?
Dang it, that was my second.
Next question.
Let's keep going with continents. Let's do 300.
This continent consistently records the most annual rainfall.
What is Asia?
That is incorrect.
What? That one's Africa?
What is South America?
South America? Oh, would have thought Asia with the monsoons.
Nope, South America eked it out.
Dang.
Yeah.
I feel let's keep going with 400. I've got 3 continents out of the way.
This continent remains the one with the most lightning hotspots. It plays host to 6 of the world's top 10 sites for lightning activity.
No, I feel like this one's got to be Africa. What is Africa?
That is correct.
Okay. Getting back into the swing of things here.
All right, what do you want to do next?
Let's finish it off. Continents for 500.
This continent has the highest solar radiation per square meter.
Solar radiation per square meter. So that doesn't necessarily mean that it's got to be the biggest continent. It's just got to be the most concentrated per square meter. So Europe is pretty far up there. What is Australia?
That is correct.
Yes! I got the 500! Yes! I'm just a little bit competitive, sorry. This is going swimmingly so far. I did not have high hopes that I would get any of the 500s if I'm being honest with myself, and look at that, I just got a 500, it's looking okay.
Well, with that little tip and then realizing the only choices left were Europe,
Asia and Australia, yeah. Yeah, one desert, hot, very hot, kangaroos.
That's right.
Other one rains all the time. Other one hosts the Himalayas in Russia.
Next question.
Let's go back to severe weather. Let's do severe weather for 300.
This type of outlook covers an area where organized severe thunderstorms of varying intensity will be possible, with widespread severe thunderstorms not expected.
So this is looking for a specific category of convective outlook? Mm-hmm. Where severe weather is not expected.
Where widespread severe thunderstorms are not expected.
Or widespread. What is general thunderstorms?
That is not correct.
Is it marginal?
Slight risk.
It's slight.
Mm-hmm. The answer is, what is slight risk?
Wow. This is really not doing good with these 300s.
Yeah, no, it's really not. So let's see, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so before we dive into the next question, we're really about halfway through the game. We hope you're really enjoying it so far. For those of you that are still watching, thank you so much. We hope you're finding entertainment value. But before we continue on, let's go ahead and have a word from our sponsor.
Do you love weather?
Do you get excited when the National Weather Service issues a watch or a warning for your area?
Do you find yourself looking at the sky and wondering why the clouds are shaped that way?
Have you thought about pursuing a weather-related career but aren't ready to commit to 4 years of college?
If you find yourself in any one of these categories, then our online School of Weather sounds like a good fit for you. In Tier 1, you'll learn about meteorology basics, weather terminology, air masses, boundaries and fronts, pressure systems, cloud types, and energy transfer processes.
Tier 2, a high risk of learning and other severe weather topics.
These topics will include what is wind, the precipitation process, thunderstorm development, all about lightning, tornado basics, and hurricane basics.
So come join us for an exciting adventure of learning about weather that's understandable, easy to digest, applicable, and fun.
And welcome back to the MeteoTech version of Jeopardy! Right now, our contestant Kayla has racked up 1,600 points. But now the big ones are coming up. Hopefully, you'll be able to stack up some more and reach that 5,000 mark.
Yes. Got a long way to go. So let's get a heavy hitter out of the way. Let's go hurricanes for 300, since 200 went so well.
This Category 5 Atlantic hurricane struck the Bahamas, Florida, and Louisiana in August 1992.
92. What is Hurricane Andrew?
Very good. We'll accept both. What and who?
Who is Hurricane Andrew?
Go ahead and pick your next one.
Keep it rolling, hurricanes for 4.
Currently, this year holds the record for most hurricanes at 15.
What is 2005?
That is correct. Nice.
2020 was close. There's a bonus fact.
Next question.
Finish us off. Hurricanes for 5.
As a Category 4 hurricane, this is known for inflicting widespread damage across the northeastern Caribbean and the southeastern United States in September 1989.
89. Oh. What is Hurricane Hugo?
That is correct.
Yes! Yes!
Nice.
Wait, I'm racking up the point. I can't believe I didn't get Ian. Dang it, that would have been a full sweep. I knew it was an I. Everybody on the internet's laughing at me. They're like, how could you forget? Let's see. I have a 100% record so far with US geography, as I've only done the 100 question. Let's do the 200 question.
A region across the southern United States prone to tornadoes.
What is Dixie Alley?
That is correct.
Yes! Yes! Gonna win back my game show reputation yet.
That's right.
Let's go back to weather service lingo. Let's do the 200 there. Get those out of the way.
The apparent temperature of how hot it really feels when the relative humidity is added to the actual air temperature.
What is the feels like temperature? Oh, you're looking for an actual.
Do 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 do. Making random notes.
It always just says the feels like temperature.
And it used to be called something else before they made it a little bit more feels like. Do do do.
This is not helping me think.
Do.
Add the relative humidity to the.
5 seconds.
What is the heat index?
That is correct.
Yes! 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 Struck me out of nowhere. That was scary.
I had to stop singing so she could concentrate.
That's right. It really stressing me out.
All right. You're at 3,200 points.
Okay.
All right, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 questions left.
7 questions left.
These can easily push you over 5,000.
It could easily keep me
But
under
they
5.
are at the higher end of the scale and
Yep.
at the harder end of the scale. So, you've got still US geography, a heart attack, weather service lingo, and severe weather still left in play. So.
Okay. Let's knock out the rest of the 300 level. Let's go for US geography for 300.
This state experiences the highest average number of tornadoes per year.
What is Oklahoma?
That is not correct.
Is it Texas?
It is Texas.
What? Dang it. Gotta stop impulsively saying stuff and think.
Come on, you got this.
US geography for 4.
In July 2010, a city in this state experienced the largest hailstone on record, measuring 8 inches in diameter and weighing almost 2 pounds.
A state in 2010. Gotta be a Great Plains. What month did you say?
July.
July. Okay, so it's late. So probably north. What is South Dakota?
That is correct.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Nice.
That was a tough one. Alright, finishing strong here. Severe weather for 4.
This was the strongest tornado on record to strike in New York City in August 2007.
You looking for something other than the New York City tornado?
Yes,
Oh.
it has a specific borough name.
Oh, what is the Brooklyn tornado?
Do you want to say that with confidence, or do you want to say
What is the Brooklyn tornado?
That is correct.
Is it? Just picked one of them at random.
With only 4 questions left,
How many points do I have?
you have 4,000 points. If I calculated it right, you're at 4,000.
4,000. That means I only need 2 500 questions. Let's do severe weather for 500.
In what year did the National Weather Service start using 1-inch diameter hail as the criteria for severe thunderstorm warnings?
We're not getting the 500. Oh! What year?
What year did they
This would
change?
be the year they decided to do all the specifications for the severe weather.
Just digging deep on this one.
I think we're after the enhanced Fujita scale at least. We're past 2007. You making. I'm not looking. He's holding his laptop for it. He's about to fall off the chair. No, you know what? Maybe we'll go with 2000. What is 2007? Let's go right around the same time. What is 2007?
That's close. The answer is 2010.
Dang it! At least I didn't pick like 1967 or something way off like that. Oh, there goes a 500. Well,
3 left.
crap on a cracker. That means I gotta get basically the rest of them.
Yeah, because that 400 is not really going to help you out at all unless you get all 3 of them.
Well, let's warm. Oh God, it's weather service lingo.
Guys, this is the best part of the video right here.
We'll save the 500s just to make it dramatic. Let's go for weather service lingo for 400. Because I don't think I got the 100 in that level. So.
Yes, you did.
Oh, okay.
You didn't get the 300.
Thank you.
A region of relatively cold air, represented on a weather map analysis as a relative minimum in temperature, surrounded by closed isotherms.
We're looking at a temperature map. What is a cold air mass? Or are you looking for something specific?
You were heading in the right direction.
You're looking for like Arctic air mass or something like that? Or continental or something
Give me your answer.
Ah! Surrounded by closed isotherms. What is a cold air mass? That's all I got.
That is incorrect. What is a cold pool?
Which is a cold air mass? I mean... Okay. Yep. That does ring a bell. Let's go for US geography for 500 and save the weather lingo for last.
She either gets these or she's done. A location in this state holds the record-breaking snowfall of 15.75 feet, 189 inches, which spanned over 7 days in February 1959, the highest known amount of snow from a single storm in the United States.
We're going with impulse. What is New York?
That is...
No, don't say incorrect. I should, Washington, nope, not the main, what is New York?
Incorrect.
Dang it!
The answer is, what is California?
Okay.
Mount Shasta.
Wasn't gonna get that one.
All right.
Forgot about mountains.
Come on, just for grins.
Dang you, mountains. Oh, let's finish it off with the Kayla has no chance of getting this question. I'm sorry to all my NWS friends watching this. I'll pay better attention in the future, I promise.
This criteria means a ceiling between 1,000 and 3,000 feet and or 3 to 5 miles visibility.
Stop looking at me.
I just love to see the beads of sweat just come down.
3 to 5 mile visibility. And if I was to look at a discussion, what would precede this part of the discussion?
It would say aviation forecast.
Oh, stupid taps. What is moderate visibility?
That is incorrect. In the meteorological aviation world and in aviation in general, it's MVFR conditions, which is minimum or marginal visual flight rules.
So what I'm hearing is moderate visibility.
Of 3 to 5 miles.
MVPR? What?
MVFR.
I gotta say, I've looked at many things. I ain't never seen those words before.
Now back in my day, it wasn't minimum, it was marginal. Marginal visual flight rules. All right, so went back, checked the calculations, wound up being you had a total of 4,200 points in this game, which is below the threshold of 5,000 points, which means
Dang!
somebody gets a pie in the face.
I really thought I was going to redeem myself with this game. I had a better feeling about it. It didn't involve beating you to a buzzer.
You know, in all fairness, I mean, you got the whole 100 row.
Thank you.
You got 3 of the 200s. 3 out of 5.
Okay.
For the 200s. 300s were your nemesis.
I don't think
You got 1 out of
okay.
5.
Okay.
You got 4 out of 5 400s. And 2 out of 5 500s. So respectable.
And
But most of the
even
points,
right down the middle, kind of.
most of the points that you acquired were on the lower end, which didn't quite get you there.
Thank you for that summary. I
You're
appreciate it.
welcome.
All right. Well,
there you go.
I suppose before we, get all hide, go ahead and leave a like, subscribe down below if you liked our content. Let me know what your score is. If you got over, I don't want to hear it.
I want to hear it.
Congratulations to those of you who beat me and wouldn't have gotten a pie in the face. But all in all, thanks, Dad, for putting this together. This was a fun game. I quite enjoyed it. Let us know down in the comments if you'd like to see a part 2 to this. I'm gonna beat him next time, though. Maybe we'll set the threshold slightly lower. Or we won't put in questions like weather service lingo. Anyways, as always, follow us over on social media, Facebook and Instagram popping up here if you want to see more of the behind the scenes and our weather adventures. Also check out our website and our school weather, which was, shamelessly plugged in the middle. How'd you like that commercial?
Just like real TV, right? You got a commercial.
And until next time, I'm Kayla.
And I'm Jim.
Thanks for watching.
And we'll see you in just a minute.
Yep.
Pie in the face.
Let's go do this.
All right, here we are. Unfortunately, Kayla did not get the 5,000 points. So
Not. I have pulled my hair back.
Oh, okay, I think that's plenty, right? Okay.
all right, give me a countdown. Ready?
5, 4, 3.
Sugary. How do I look?
Like you lost the game show.
Like and subscribe.
No looky.
I'm not going to look. I'm gonna beat you fair and square.
Okay, ready?
Yep.